become an entrepreneur, especially in the field of IT or maybe a technical entrepreneur. But the first 1 hour would only belong to the world of hacking itself. Like, I am a cybercrime investigator. That is what my definition is, or that is what my profession is. I just want to know how many of you are from the IT background? Remaining all from electronics? How many from, okay, comms, sorry. See, for me, IT and comms mean one and the same thing. Apart from IT and comms, anybody else who's from electronics? Mechanical? Okay, telecommunications? Anything else? Civil?
It takes time.
So if I say that I am a cybercrime investigator, what do you mean by that profession? Are you aware that such a profession exists or such a career exists? If I say I am a cybercrime investigator, which means what do I do?
You're ethical hacker. Anti-hacker.
Anyone, any idea? Especially people from IT and comms. I mean, cybercrime investigator, this is something to do with your own field. Investigating cybercrime, that is, see, I have been giving trainings to the Bombay Police, the cyber cell departments, the ATS, the ACB, the income tax departments. We have gone and conducted raids on the Nigerians. We have also conducted raids, but this, when we conduct the raids, it is not to do with the IT. Understanding that is, we go and inspect the computer, we inspect the phones, we review the data, we can recover the SMSs which are deleted 6 months back also. Any data which you have deleted, we can restructure your entire hard disk the way it was. मतलब desktop पे जैसे icon से ना वैसे का वैसे लाके रख सकते हैं. That is what basically a cybercrime investigator does. That is becoming or catching the hackers. So we assist, we have been giving trainings to the Bombay Police. We also work with them and we are doing all this kind of legal work itself. But that is one part of my degree. I got one more certification to my name, which is Certified Ethical Hacker, and that too was trained by the US government 4 or 5 years back. And I would say forget the word ethical, I would say forget the word certified also. If I say I'm only a hacker, or let me just rephrase this thing, how many of you over here would like to become hackers? Okay. Facebook one, okay. How many of you want to become ethical hackers? What is the difference, right? I'll explain what is the difference. See, the knowledge is the same. It is like the knowledge which I'll be giving you today or right now in a span of 1 hour. It is like I'll be sending you a knife. Now you use the knife to cut vegetables and make beautiful salads, or you can use the same knife to go and kill someone. The knowledge is going to come to you. The knowledge of hacking, if you use it in a good manner, in a right manner, the way I use it, to work along with the police and along with other government departments, I become a ethical hacker. And if you use the same knowledge in some other manner, you become a hacker itself. Right. Now we start with this particular thing itself. How many of you have got accounts into Facebook? We will just have a demo. We will invite somebody to come and open his or her Facebook account, and then we will teach you how to hack into your Facebook account in a span of less than 3 minutes. We need anybody's account also. That is one. Second, how many of you use WhatsApp? Okay, good enough. So, if you want, we can show your WhatsApp images over here on the projector. If I want, I can show your phone's photos over here. If I do not like the photos, I will send an SMS where I can show your phone's videos also over here. If I do not like the photos, if I do not like the videos, I will send another SMS which will not be reflected onto your phone, but it will activate your camera, take a photo, and then you can see the photo over here. If I do not like that photo, I will send another SMS, again activate your camera, and this time I can do a video recording of your cell, and you can see the video over here itself. Understanding? If I make a call to you over here, whose number should be reflected? If I make a call to any of you over here, whose number should be reflected?
Callers.
We can reflect anybody else's number sitting over here. That is a very old Bluetooth thing. School के बच्चे लोग भी वो करने लगे. But apart from that, I can reflect your principal's number, your HOD's number, any of your parents' number. I can give. अगर इंडिया में किसी के ऊपर भी तुलना होगा ना, this is one of the best thing to do. Call somebody, reflect somebody else's number, 3-4 गाली दो और फोन काट दो. whatever you want to do. Another thing, can anybody tell me what is the number one curiosity of the college life? A general curiosity that every student has, in a span of 4 years.
Girls.
Girls, that's absolutely right. And particularly in the college life, boyfriend-girlfriend relationship is very, very common. And everybody wants to know the status of the relationship. Now suppose the class is going on and one boy and one girl who happen to be in a relationship are talking right outside the class and the lecture is going on. The lecture is for assuming 40-45 minutes. If the talk goes on for more than 10 minutes, fair enough, it happens. But if the talk goes on for more than 15-20 minutes, I think the first 2 rows will be started when they try and pay attention over there. If the talks are going on for more than 30 minutes or more than half of the strain of the lecture, half of the class would be interested over that lecture. Just 5 minutes before the lecture, if the talks are going on for more than 40 minutes, practically the entire class would have lost interest in what the professor is teaching. They are trying to read over their answer as to what the girl is trying to say or what the boy is trying to say, right? In fact, quite the boys will be more happy if finally breakup हो रहा है, अगर breakup हो रहा है तो अच्छा है, पीछे लाइन में बहुत खड़े हैं. Would you be interested to know what they are talking about?
Yes.
Do you have that boy or that girl's number? Most probably yes, if they happen to be in the same class itself. Now what the technology can do is that you can make a call to that particular boy or girl's number. उनके फोन के ऊपर वो फोन आएगा नहीं, लेकिन उनका फोन का माइक्रोफोन ऑन हो जाएगा, and then you can listen to the conversation surrounding the call also. Understanding? If time permits, we'll show that particular demo also. What we'll do is that we'll ask 2 boys to go outside and talk, and I really mean that they should go on talking. I don't mind even if you sing a song. We'll ask the third person to come over here, and then we'll intercept those 2 people's call conversations and listen over here. Understanding? This is what technology can do, and this is what we do as a hacker. I've been giving, this is what I do for behalf of the police also. But now bringing it back down to the earth. How many of you download very popular Bollywood movie songs? Any popular Bollywood movie songs from this website?
YouTube. Songs at PK. Don't use mic.
Quite a few. And .pk stands for?
Pakistan.
Excellent. And people know that it is a Pakistani website. In spite of that, majority of the people are going to download from that particular website also. Throughout the seminar, I will try to explain as to why this is a very dangerous thing to do. Okay. Now, those who don't want to become hackers, at least I want me to show you or tell you how I do hacking. You want me to show you how I do hacking?
Yes.
Okay. Now, assuming you take any popular Bollywood movie song that you have downloaded, you download a movie, you download any picture files, first product page, latest iPhone photos, Katrina Kaif, Sanjay Kapoor, any event photos or something like that. As soon as you finish the download, after 15 minutes, whatever you are going to do on the computer, I will come to know. And I mean each and every word that you are going to type will be known to me. If you write hi, I will come to know written hi. If you write hi, how are you? I will come to know written hi, how are you? Every chat that you are going to make, every word of that chat. Every assignment that you are writing, every word of that assignment. Every project that you are writing, every word of that project. After that you go on Facebook, username and password for Facebook. You go on Gmail, username and password for Gmail. You go on LinkedIn, network, any other social networking website, uska username and password. Same computer is used by your parents back home, more or less. When your parents use the computer, they will use it for net banking or any other stuff. So उनका भी net banking या credit card का username और password भी मिल जाएगा. All of you got mobile phones with camera, right? I will make your mouse click as a camera. Every time you click on the mouse, a photo of your desktop will be taken and sent to me. It means I will come to know how many icons you have kept, what is the kind of wallpaper you have kept, what is the screensaver, and everything like that. Understanding the power of the software, the best of antivirus will not be able to stop the software. The software works so beautifully that suppose if you are chatting with somebody on the Facebook और सामने वाला आपको एकदम बोर कर रहा है, बहुत पका रहा है, और आपने उसको लिख भी दिया, अबे तू तेरी तो, and then you control your emotions. You do not send it, you press backspace and you delete that particular chat. But still, I will come to know that you have written something like Abhay tu teri to. I come to know what your true feelings are towards that particular person. Understanding? For months together, I can run this into your computer. Now suppose, at the end of the seminar, people who are very, very interactive, people who respond, and people who are lively, I will select 3 lucky people, or maybe 4 lucky people, one from each row, who will get this software free of cost. A fully licensed working software. You send it to anybody anybody in the world, whatever he or she does on the computer, every password will be known to you. बहुत सारे लोग आके मेरे को एक ही चीज बोलते हैं कि सर कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सामने वाले का पहले फेसबुक का अकाउंट ऐड करके दो। तो वो फेसबुक क्या करता है, मैं पूरा कंप्यूटर आके देता हूँ, फिर फेसबुक, जीमेल, ऑटो, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर जो भी यूज करेगा would be at your disposal. How many of you would like to have this offer?
पूरा class.
I don't mind. I will give it to you because I don't see any point in doing that. But give me the logic, give me the reasons there, and how would you like to use this software? Whatever conditions.
Sharad Pawar.
Okay. Different show like to show up with my PR somebody. Okay. Whereas I got one from this row, one from this row. Anybody from this row? Where and how would you like to use this software? Anybody, any devilish ideas? It does not matter. But give me ideas. Terrorist. How do you identify who is terrorist?
ना महीना भर इसके पीछे पड़
Okay, these are two good ways of using this software. One is, I conduct this seminar at various schools and colleges also on behalf of the police, cyber crime awareness seminars and everything like that. People at the back can still hear me, right? More or less? Okay, I will just try to... Now can you hear me? Better? Okay. I conduct this seminars at various schools and colleges, particularly in school, there is something known as PTA, Parent Teacher Association meeting. At the end of every meeting, most of the time parents are running up to me and saying one thing, कि सचिन मेरा बेटा या मेरी बेटी रात के 11 बजे चालू होता है और ये भाई साहब रात के 2-3 बजे तक करते रहते हैं. Absolutely no idea what they are going to do on the computer. And parents who know little bit of technology also, when they try to find out कि उनका बेटा या बेटी कौन सी वेबसाइट पर जा रहा था, आप लोग कंप्यूटर का हिस्ट्री इतना नहीं रखते होगा, इतना उसका घर या रूम में नहीं रखा होगा. Right? So suppose instead of giving it to you, your parents, when the software work more better? No. Yes. But this is not good way of using the software. Second thing is that most of the time in corporate offices now, corporate boss comes and tells me कि सचिन जब तक मैं ऑफिस के अंदर बैठा हूँ ना, तब तक सब लोग एकदम शरारत से काम करते हैं. लेकिन जैसे ही मैं ऑफिस के बाहर जाऊँगा मीटिंग करने के लिए, एक भाई साहब फेसबुक चालू करेगा, एक म्यूजिक डाउनलोड करेगा, एक मूवी डाउनलोड करेगा, एक क्रिकेट का मैच का अपडेटेड स्कोर लेते रहेगा. पूरी दुनिया में यही ऑफिस ऐसी है कि पहले तो कोई नहीं होगा, सेकंड को ऑफिस के अंदर अवेलेबल. ऑफिस का इंटरनेट भी है, इंटरनेट फास्ट है, देयर इज नो रिस्पांसिबिलिटी एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली देयर इज नो अकाउंटेबिलिटी फॉर इट. राइट? Two good ways, suppose using this software. Any bandwidth? Should I give you certain ideas?
Yes.
Suppose if you send it to the HOD of your particular department, to the HOD's computer, what will you get?
Question paper.
Yes. Would I also get something like that? Yes. Candidate's code. Yeah, you can make the code also if you want. That is fine. Now go a step further. Suppose if you send it to the HOD of other departments or to the principal itself, you will not only get question papers with respect to your own department, but also with respect to other departments. Right? But if you pass करते हो गए, बाकी के question papers पास दे सकते हो. 500 का है, whatever. Up to you. What marks you want to get? What is the rate that you want to sell? You are getting their question papers. If you go a step further, try to operate this week, then you will know how much money you can make at the end of the day. But how do I use this? Any guesses? As an actor, one thing I would be interested in selling your question papers.
No.
Not much. Where do you think I would be using this kind of knowledge? Tracking people. Good knowledge, you have to make money out of it. That is a very sad fact. But it is a fact. So because I have to make money out of it, there is money on the internet. It is on net banking, credit card, and just as people post over here, e-commerce websites. Right? I'll just tell you, I'll just have to teach you how do we do net banking frauds. Not net banking, but net banking frauds. Now say assuming any popular Bollywood movie song, say Murti Bhatla or Shura Ki Jawani or something like that. Across India, how many people must have downloaded? Across India.
Millions.
Must have downloaded that? Millions. I start with a very popular office. I saw only 1,000 people must have downloaded the song. 1,000.
Mic मत use करो.
Don't
use mic. Yeah.
Okay. I said 1,000 people must have downloaded that song. Now out of 1,000, आज की तारीख में अभी तक कितने लोग नेट बैंकिंग या क्रेडिट कार्ड Out of 1,000, how many people must be using net banking or credit card?
50 people.
300. Okay.
दो
I suppose a very conservative approach. I say only 100 people are using net banking. Only 100.
बहुत हो गया.
Means, suppose if I have incorporated such a kind of software, I have got access to at least 100 people's net banking username and passwords. Right? Now as hackers, we have certain rules, certain guidelines, certain code of conduct. वो बोलते हैं ना चोरों के भी उसूल होते हैं, जैसे हम लोग के भी उसूल है. The fourth code of conduct says that if you get access to any particular net banking or credit card account, you should never withdraw the entire sum from it. कभी भी उसमें से पूरा पैसा withdraw नहीं करने का. That is our code number 4. Say, if you want 1 lakh rupees in your bank account and if you withdraw the entire sum from it, next day you and your parents will go and sit in front of the bank only. नाना धोना खाना पीना लंच ब्रेकफास्ट डिनर सब बैंक वाले के साथ होगा. नहीं तो मेरा पैसा वापस चाहिए, right? But assuming if you got 1,000 rupees in your pocket and if you withdraw only 2 rupees, how many of you go and complain?
No one.
Not many. In fact, hardly anyone. Even if you go and complain, you will not follow that complaint. Am I right? Now, from one bank account, what is the rule of net banking? Can you transfer from HDFC to HDFC? Yes. Can you transfer from HDFC to ICICI Bank? Yes. But one more rule says that you can transfer to any state in India. India के किसी भी state में आप पैसा transfer कर सकते हो. So we start in the middle of the night. I know what you people do from 11 o'clock onwards. That I will tell you later on. But what I do from 11:30 onwards, that I am going to tell you right now. From 11:30, we start transferring money from this 100 accounts, and from each account we withdraw only 2 or 3,000 rupees. Not beyond that. Following code number 4, we withdraw only 3,000 rupees. So from 100, from each account I am withdrawing 3,000 rupees. So how much money can I withdraw? 3 lakh rupees. And this is transferred. All the 3 lakh rupees is transferred to a remote village in Bihar. बिहार में किसी एक कोने के गांव में एक गांव वाले के अकाउंट के अंदर रातों रात में 3 लाख रुपए पैसा ट्रांसफर करता हूँ. One of my friends already stays in that village. Next day morning, sharp at 9 o'clock, because in the middle of the night this transaction must have got over. Next day sharp at 9 o'clock, he goes to the villager's house and he says कि भाई साहब तेरे अकाउंट के अंदर 3 लाख रुपए आ चुका है. खुश होने की जरूरत नहीं है. अभी पुलिस स्टेशन चल और इनकम टैक्स चल और हिसाब दे कि 3 लाख रुपए तू लाया किधर से. चोरी की, तूने डकैती की है, तूने तेरा खेत बेच दिया, तेरी पूरी जिंदगी में 50,000 रुपए के ऊपर का बैलेंस दिखा नहीं है. ये रातों रात 3 लाख रुपए तू लाया किधर से. उसको बहुत डराते, उसको बहुत धमकाते भी है. या तो फिर सेकंड ऑप्शन टू द विलेजर, या तो फिर एक काम कर, चेकबुक ले, कैश निकाल, 10% तू रख और बाकी का निकाल के मुझे दे दे. द सेकंड ऑप्शन टू द विलेजर. व्हाट डू यू थिंक द विलेजर विल डू?
Second option.
The transaction starts by 9:30. By 11:30, my friend has already got minimum 2.5 or 2.7 lakh rupees into his pocket. And then I make him travel the same day from Bihar to Kanyakumari. Why in Kanyakumari? Because ये जो 100 बैंक अकाउंट मिला है, उसमें लोगों को HDFC बैंक मिलेगा. I can get ICICI, Dena Bank, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, any other bank. तो कन्याकुमारी में दूसरे दिन का दूसरा बैंक अकाउंट. From Kanyakumari, I make him travel to Rajasthan. तीसरे दिन का तीसरा बैंक अकाउंट. राजस्थान टू उड़ीसा, फोर्थ बैंक अकाउंट. उड़ीसा टू कलकत्ता, फिफ्थ बैंक अकाउंट. दस ही इंडिया में बैंक सिर्फ 5 ही दिन चालू रहता है. सैटरडे संडे मोर और लेस लाइक हाफ डे itself. 5 days, 5 bank account. How much money have I got? 15 this by 5. This minimum coming to 15 lakh rupees minus 10 to 15% state to state level commission भी देना पड़ता है. बिहार में 10% देता हूँ, कलकत्ता में 15% चलता है, उड़ीसा में 15% चलता है, राजस्थान में 20% चलता है. तो मेरे को बोल सकते हैं बॉम्बे में परसेंटेज कितना होगा. अभी जो फाइंड आउट द परसेंटेज राइट नाउ itself. Suppose today I am getting your email IDs, might even get your phone numbers. So in few days I can come to know what your account number is of any bank. After few days, if I send you 5 lakh rupees into your bank account, how much would you sell it for? 40%. 40%. In Bombay, if you want to settle such a kind of a fraud, minimum percentage is 50%. If you want to settle such a kind of thing, minimum percentage is 50. Now the point here is, net banking is traceable. Traceable in the sense, cybercrime investigators and people like us, मैं चोर भी बनाऊँ और पुलिस भी बनाऊँ, मैंने चोरी कर ली, फिर इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स को बुलाते हैं. So when people like us go and question the villager, जब उस गाँव वाले को जाके पूछेंगे कि भाई साहब ये 3 लाख रुपया लाया किधर से और किया क्या, गाँव वाला बोलेगा क्या, सर ऐसे ऐसे उल्ले का एक आदमी आया था, डराया धमकाया और पैसा लेके चला गया. At the most we only get the description of that particular person. Now consider India's population. you think it is possible for me to catch a person based only on description and that too when I am making him travel from state to state? Possible है? आज से 10 साल पहले अगर मेरे को बैंक लूटना था ना, तो गाड़ी लेके आओ, वॉचमैन को पैसा खिलाओ, बंदूक लेके रखो, तब जाके मैं ब्रांच लूटता था, तब जाके मेरे हाथ में सिर्फ एक ब्रांच आती थी। आज इसी रूम में बैठने का कंप्यूटर में मैं प्रकट करूंगा, एक कटिंग चाय पीऊंगा और एक ब्रांच नहीं। How many banks have I considered? Only 5. And how many people have I considered? Only 100. Right? So what do you think is the future? Now how many of you want to become hackers? Anyone know? ये जो fraud की मैं बात कर रहा था, this is a totally outdated fraud. Totally outdated. ये जब मैं आपको पढ़ने में आया था 2011 में, this was the most prominent fraud which was happening. This used to happen in the years 2010 and 11. This was the work of the Nigerians. And 2 years back, we used to fear in the government and the police also. And now our fears have come totally true. Now the entire world acknowledges that when it comes to IT and when it comes to hacking, this nation is now regarded as one of the best. Can anybody tell me which nation hackers would be regarded as one of the best? China. China is number 3.
India.
Pakistan.
USA does not need to have, they never do any hacking. Anyway, the data is going to them only. Gmail, Yahoo, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, everything is on their server.